blue tractor is waiting for you. It's time to play. Pick a topic. Let's find out what occupations exist. Builder. Correct. Firefighter. That's right. Cook. Doctor. Well done. Musician. That's right. Hairdresser. Well done. Fine, we have learned new professions. Let's learn the professions of these people. Firefighter puts out fire. Hairdresser makes haircuts. Good for you. Builder constructs buildings. Correct. Musician plays musical instruments. Doctor treats patients. Cook makes delicious food. That's right. Well done. Now we know what people of different professions do. Let's decide what objects people of different professions need. Violin. The musician needs a violin. Good for you. The cook needs a ladle. That's scissors. The hairdresser needs scissors. Good for you. The fireman needs a fire extinguisher. That's right. The builder needs a saw. Stethoscope.